Hello, this is Reid Hepler, the Digital Initiatives and OER Librarian. As part of faculty curriculum, you might want to include H5P, which is an interactive and formative assessment service created by h5p.org. It's a content authoring tool that can allow instructors to create engaging and multimedia-rich lessons, interactive web experiences, and reflective learning games for knowledge checking. So you see here, I am progressing through this. And then it gives me a feedback, it gives me time spent, card turns, etc. There are obviously more complex items in this offering, but that's kind of one of the basic things. These items that you create using H5P can be cloned for reuse in future courses. You can put them in Pressbooks, you can put them in Canvas, and they fill existing gaps in Canvas functionality. They allow formative assessments to be created while not requiring that these are necessarily part of their grade, although you can make them part of student grades. It's not going to be a financial burden because it's free and open source. You can track data using a paid version, but for example, using Pressbooks and other things, you can use H5P for free with no additional cost. The main cost is tracking them. If you want to store them in your own h5p.com account or a network, that costs money, but creating them is free if you have a website that can handle it. There are many different examples and download types that you can use, and we'll explore a little bit of those. I recently received an h5p.com license through OSB, and so you can see here all of my items. Let's go to one of the more simple ones. This is my CC licenses, Creative Commons licenses, and you see here you can have a view section, an edit section, and a report section. So what CC license prohibits derivatives? The ND license. Click this, click submit, has good job, my score. And if I like this and I want to reuse it, I can download it. I can copy the content. This is how you create this. So this is a true or a multiple choice, excuse me, instance. You have the question, you can put an image on there. You have the different options, the correct option, the feedback that you want to do, publishing options, whether or not you want to share it with the organization, score sending to the LMS. And then if you go to the My Content section, there's an option to share things with the organization. And on some of them, there's an option to share with the OER Hub. Right here, since I've shared it with the OER Hub already, it's already shared, so I don't have that option, but you can share things with the OER Hub. It's a massive OER collection of H5P that will eventually be publicly available in the near future. We're currently investigating when that will occur exactly, but H5P is in the process of creating it and it will be tremendously helpful. So that's how you create and store items on h5p.com.